Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of stylish apparel with the Jeep Ladies Text V-neck cotton t-shirt for women. If you're a Jeep enthusiast or simply love quality fashion, you're in for a treat. Let's explore why this might just be the best Jeep-themed t-shirt for women on the market. Crafted from a premium blend of 60% combed cotton and 40% polyester, this t-shirt promises a perfect balance of softness and durability. It's not just your ordinary tee, it features the classic Jeep Text logo prominently displayed on the front, with an iconic Jeep grille logo subtly placed on the sleeve. Whether you're out on an adventure or relaxing at home, this shirt embodies comfort and style. Let's talk about what sets this tee apart. The print quality is exceptional, with vibrant colors that pop. The V-neck design adds a touch of elegance, making it suitable for various casual settings. It's machine washable, which is a huge plus for convenience. Plus, it's printed in Detroit by the Detroit Shirt Company, ensuring both quality craftsmanship and authenticity. Now, let's discuss how it feels to wear. Reviewers rave about its comfort, mentioning how soft and breathable the fabric is. Whether you're running errands, hiking, or just lounging around, this shirt keeps you feeling comfortable throughout the day. The sizing runs true to fit, providing a flattering silhouette without being too tight or too loose. Styling-wise, the possibilities are endless. Pair it with your favorite jeans or shorts for a laid-back look, or layer it under a jacket for cooler evenings. Its versatile design makes it a staple piece in any wardrobe, especially if you're a Jeep enthusiast looking to showcase your passion in a fashionable way. As we wrap up, it's clear why the Jeep Ladies Text V-neck cotton t-shirt stands out. From its high-quality construction to its stylish design elements, this shirt not only represents Jeep's iconic brand but also offers everyday comfort and versatility. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift, this t-shirt won't disappoint. If you're interested in adding this fantastic piece to your wardrobe, I've left a link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Until next time, stay stylish and stay tuned.